Hello everyone, here is how to download a Facebook video from your desktop. Open the Facebook site and find the video. Here is one. Click on the video and right click and show video URL. Copy this link, go to Google and search for Facebook down, fbdown.com. Open this and paste the video URL here. Click download. The video will appear in a separate window after you download video. You can see the video in HD quality or normal quality according to the video on the Facebook site. Save the video as example in your desktop. Save and wait for the video to completely download on your desktop. Then open it. Congratulations. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Bye.